my loves, let me show you how I put this pepper gizzard together. Very, very delicious, and you will not regret this one. We'll start with our pepper base, and for this you need some pointed pepper, some red bell pepper, onions, and habanero pepper. I'm using just 2 habanero peppers. It was spicy enough. If you want more, of course, use more. I will chop this up and transfer it to my food processor and blend it all together until it is coarse. You don't want it smooth, okay? This is how you want your pepper mix to look once it's blended. Now we'll go ahead and make an incision into our snail and get it to be somewhat butterfly shape like so. Wash it with some hot water, then come in with lemon to take away the slime. Wash it several times until all the slime is gotten rid of. Quick word of the day today is Colossians 3:9, which says, "Don't lie to one another, seeing that you put off the old self with its practices." Here to encourage you today to always speak the truth, as the Bible says that when you speak the truth will set you free. Now back to our pepper snail. I've seasoned with some garlic, onion and ginger paste, some vegetable seasoning, shrimp seasoning, some chopped onions, some salt, add a little bit of water and allow it to cook. Make sure to check on it intermittently, stirring it just to make sure that the season is well coated onto every snail. At this point, it's ready. You don't want it to be too soft. You want it to be very crunchy. Now we're going to add some oil into our pot, heat it up and transfer our snail and fry this until it is very crispy on the outside but juicy on the inside. At this point, our snail is ready. You don't want to fry it for too long, okay? We'll go ahead and prepare our pepper base, which we blended earlier on. We'll start with some chopped onions, saute this until it's translucent, add our pepper mix and fry this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Today's shout out goes to everyone on here watching. Thank you so much for watching. However, views have been low, so if you're seeing this today, please be kind to like, comment and share so others know Debs' Delight is back. Now we'll season with some vegetable seasoning, some curry powder, shrimp seasoning, paprika powder, and stir everything to combine beautifully. Make sure to fry this on medium-low heat. After about 5 more minutes, add some stock from the snail. Stir this and allow it to fry for an extra 5 to 8 minutes. Then introduce the king of the ingredients, which is our snail. Smells amazing. This is definitely a must try. So having added our snail, we're going to cover it and allow it to fry for another 3 minutes and add some chopped onions for some crunch. Allow it to fry for another 2 minutes, then garnish with some scallions. You can use any other vegetable of choice, but I love scallions with this. Allow it to fry for another 30 seconds and it's ready. That's simple, that's straightforward, yet super delicious. You can pair this with some rice, with some eba, just name it. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Again, please do not forget to like, comment and share. I appreciate you all. Take care and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.